Hey kids! Welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go! We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going! Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere! Sound effects are all over the place! Let's talk about sound effects! And today's sound effect we're going to talk about is the drumroll sound effect from Starmie-chan, and the character is IRL Noella. Hello guys, IRL Noella here, and today I'm going to be talking about the drumroll sound effect from Starmie-chan. It's from a video called Gacha Life 2 Exact Release Date is Out, plus new hand features. It was uploaded on 2023, September 26th, which was 2 years ago. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 9 to 12. And of course, the total seconds from the video would be 3.
What's close?
The female text-to-speech voice will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is used for an event or an introduction, is very exciting though. And remember, kids, if you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Starmie-chan before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here, and it will be in the description. The sound effect starts at 9 and ends at 12. Make sure you remove the female text-to-speech voice at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later.